Configuring Worldline GoPay for PrestaShop. This video will cover the basic configuration steps for your Worldline GoPay for PrestaShop plugin. For more information on setting up the plugin's features, refer to our official documentation. Before you start the configuration, you will need access to PrestaShop Admin, Worldline Merchant Portal. First, My Account section. Navigate to Payments, Payment Methods. Next, click on the Worldline Online Payments Configure button. Set the environment mode. The plugin runs in the test environment by default. Change the environment mode to production to publish it live. Next, configuration overview. You need to retrieve the required data from the Worldline Merchant Portal. Merchant ID, also known as PSP ID, API key and secret, as well as Webhook's key and secret. Next step, Merchant Portal. Generate API and Webhook keys. Log in to the Worldline Merchant Portal and generate API and Webhook credentials. Navigate to Developer, Payment API and select your merchant PSP ID. Click Add API key and copy the generated keys. Next, navigate to Developer, Webhooks. Click Generate Webhook keys and copy the values. Please note that you can use pre-existing API or Webhook keys. But remember that you can only see the API secret and secret Webhook keys for 60 seconds when you first create them. Next step, add credentials to the plugin. Paste the credentials from the merchant portal into the fields and click Save. Please note that clicking the Save and Check credentials will also test the plugin connection for errors. Step 6. Configure Webhook URL. Automatic configuration uses the store's Webhook URLs automatically. Also, you can define up to 4 additional webhooks. The manual option requires you to add the URL in the merchant portal manually. By deselecting the automatic switch, you will get an option to copy your store Webhook URL. For that, log into Worldline Merchant Portal and navigate to Developer Webhooks. Click Add Webhook Endpoint and paste your store Webhook URL. Finally, click Confirm. Next, Advanced Settings. You can also configure various security and payment settings by turning on Show Advanced Settings. There, you can configure the following: payment capture settings or authorization modes, payment flow modifications, card grouping, 3D secure authentication, 3DS exemptions and exemption limits, as well as surcharge. In the Payment Methods tab, you can choose from 3 distinct checkout options based on your integration needs. First, the redirect mode with selection after redirect offers a simplified checkout where customers choose their payment method directly on the secure Worldline page. Second, the redirect mode with selection before redirect allows you to display your chosen payment methods as radio buttons right on your PrestaShop checkout page. Finally, the one-page checkout mode uses a secure iframe to enable one-click card payments, ensuring a seamless experience while maintaining full compliance. When using payment method selection before redirect, click Refresh to instantly update your PrestaShop list with new payment methods from your Worldline account without the need to update the entire integration. You can also configure the following: logo displayed on the payment page, payment button text, and custom payment form template. Please note that changes to the logo and payment button text are applicable only to one-page checkout or redirected flows where the payment method is selected on the PrestaShop checkout page. The Worldline GoPay for PrestaShop plugin also lets you do 3 things from the PrestaShop Orders dashboard: fully or partially capture the payment for a selected order, fully or partially cancel payment authorization for a selected order, and fully or partially refund the payment for a selected order. To capture a payment, go to Orders. Then, select an order with a status awaiting payment capture. Scroll down and configure the amount you want to capture. Finally, click Capture. In order to cancel a payment authorization, select an order with a status awaiting payment capture. Scroll down and configure the amount you want to cancel, and click the button Cancel. Finally, to refund a payment, Select an order with the status payment accepted. Configure the amount you want to refund inside the plugin add-on and click Refund. Your configuration is now complete. If you have any issues during setup, contact us through one of our support channels.